Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, tap on profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now look for the payment methods option and tap on it. You can choose from various options like credit cards, debit cards, or other payment methods available. Select the option you prefer. Next, enter your payment details including card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure everything is entered correctly, then tap Save. Once you've saved your payment method, it should appear in your list of payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method on Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.